In this video, we'll show you how to change the side view mirror on your Nissan Altima. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To change your car's side view mirror, you have to take off the door trim. Using a car trim removal tool, pry out the side light at the bottom of the plastic trim panel. Next, using the same tool, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing on the tab. You can now remove the light. Using the car trim removal tool, remove the plastic cover on the door handle. Then remove it. Using the same tool, remove the plastic cover located in the door handle. Then pull on it to disengage the retaining lugs from their slots. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, remove the handle retaining bolt. Then use the same tool to unscrew the upper door panel retaining bolt. Using the car trim removal tool, lift the power window controls. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the plastic tab. Remove the controls. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, remove the lower door panel retaining bolt. Using a car trim removal tool, unclip the plastic trim panel from the door panel by prying it with the tool. Run along all three sides to disengage all clips. You can now unclip the door panel by pulling it towards you and lifting it slightly to release it from the top rack. Hold the panel so as not to pull on the various cables. You can now unclip the cables from the door opening mechanism. Then remove the panel. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Next, use the car trim removal tool to remove the plastic cover from the side mirror. Using the same tool, remove the connector. You now have access to the three retaining nuts of the side view mirror. Using a ratchet, an extender, and a 10mm socket, remove the three nuts. Take off the side view mirror. You can order the side view mirror used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new side view mirror. Unscrew the plastic ends supplied with it. Insert the side view mirror into its housing. Then screw the three nuts back on with a ratchet. Plug the electrical connector back in. Replace the plastic cover. Remember to position the retaining pins correctly in the door. Bring the inner door panel closer and put the two cables back in place. You can now put the door panel back in place, inserting it into the top track first. Pass the connectors of the power window controls and the door side light through the openings in the door panel. You can now press the entire door panel against the door to lock all the clips. Then screw the lower bolt back in. Do the same with the upper bolt. Tighten the screw back into the door handle. Replace the plastic cover. Reconnect the connectors of the electric window controls. Put the controls back on, inserting the rear part of the control unit first. Put the plastic armrest cover back in place. Reconnect the side light electrical connector. Then put it back in place. Operation complete.